What's going on, everybody? Cody Does It, back at it again with another video. This is the Warlock that was turned into a year older truck as far as some of the features in it. I did get the wiring routed for the 4G and the satellite antenna, so we're gonna get all that put back in. If you can see through here, it runs through the dash. Go ahead and set this up here for now. Just not let this fall out. We'll just set it right there. That'll be fine. Fine for a second, and I'll show you where. So like I was saying, yeah, we did get it put in over here. Runs up along this, clips in there. No, sorry, clips in. Up, zip tied. You can see the wiring there. Up through. It's gonna come up and through there. You can see it right there. This wire right here. Up, zip tied, zip tied, zip tied, and then you finagle it in through the back of the stereo. So we got that one in. I also have diagram here for this harness. Pigtail for the back side. We're gonna take that faceplate, pop this guy in, get the pigtail wired up for it that they cut off right there. All those wires, we'll match them all up. We'll get them all wired up, fixed up, and then we should have all the error codes on this truck cleared out. Put it out on the lot. Hopefully someone that watches these videos doesn't buy it. As always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Short little video. I know I didn't show too much of the work being done, but it is kind of hard to record something like that when you're feeding wires, like I said, through the dash in here without actually pulling the dash. It is doable. It's not very hard as long as you got skinny arms and big hands, and you can kind of drill them in there. Anyways, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Stay motivated. If you have a question, let me know.